Hello everybody, today we're going to be showing you how to make a ramp for your mini LMT, Quake Grom, just whatever truck you need a ramp for. Let's get started. So first, you're going to need some tape, a box, and some scissors. Hot glue gun and marker are optional, but they do help out a lot. Now first, you're going to want to take your box apart a bit. So when you're done, your box should look like this. Now, once your box is like this, you're gonna draw on the design for a ramp you want. I'll cut to when that's done. Got my design drawn out, so now I just gotta cut it out. Probably gonna speed this up in post. I need bigger scissors. Okay, we're back with bigger scissors now. This should go a lot faster. Now I just gotta trace it and then make another one. Alright, that's better. Okay, so you got two pieces for the outside. Now I just gotta get the part of the ramp that the car goes on. So you're gonna choose your desired length. I'm just gonna do this much, then trim it up how you like it. Okay, and now you'll figure out how much you need for the ramp and make it a bit longer. I did that the wrong way. Now we're just gonna cut it to Okay, I forgot to plug the glue gun back in. Alright, I'll be back when that heats up. Alright, glue gun's heated up. So now I'm gonna put some glue on here. Then you're just gonna, got some on my finger. Then you're just gonna press it on here. Hot glue doesn't take that long to dry, so shouldn't be too long. Stuff on my finger, no, not dry yet. Alright, that's dry now. I just gotta do it for the other side. Alright, that side's done. Mostly, we'll add support when we're done. If you're just doing a one-sided ramp, then just add the bottom, put a support in there, then you're done. If you're using tape, just stick it on the sides like that. Now I just gotta do the whole thing over for this side. I'll see you when I'm done with that to add the supports. Alright, we got the ramp, both sides done. Now we're just gonna add the supports to make it a bit stronger. To do that, you're gonna take other part that you used for the part that the car drives on. You're gonna cut it to make it thinner, to stuff it in there to just give it a bit more strength. So, we got this. We need to chop a little bit off. There we go. Now it'll fit right there. Then take your hot glue gun. Oh, it's cooled down. Gotta heat it back up. Be right. Alright, my ramp is done. We got normal jump side and backflip side. And nice support. Not budging at all. So, I'll put some videos of the Quake Grom in here using the ramp. Once I get it, it should be here tomorrow. So, I'll see you then. Surfaces. We're just starting on the carpet upstairs for now. I'll take it in some grass, gravel, concrete, all sorts of surfaces. So, stick around for those. This is my homemade ramp. If you're watching the ramp video right now, link to the Quake Grom video in the description. And if you're watching the Quake Grom video, link to the ramp video in the description. I would be using the Proline ramps like everyone else does, but I don't have enough money for those. So, this is the best I'll get. This thing has plenty of power for this indoor bashing. A bit too much, I think. So, this is completely stock, right out of the box, except I already did like 2.5 batteries on it. So, yeah, I did manage to break it, but we got it fixed. I meant to put the shock things on it that it comes in the box with, so I'll do that, then be right back. Oh, I flipped my ramp over. Did it again. Oh. Let's move the ramp a bit. Why is it doing that now? flipping my ramp. That was cool. That was like a front flip. Alright, I think that's enough inside bashing. Actually, no. Let's put it on the bean bag. Just for fun. Ooh, standing backflip. I don't think any car is meant for bean bags. Alright, yeah.